Find an equation of variation in which y varies directly as x and y equals 6 when x equals 3. Then find the value of y when x equals 25. Well, an equation of direct variation has the form y equals k times x, where k is called the variation constant. And the first thing that we need to do is to use some of the given information to find this constant k. And this is the information that we'll use. We're told that when x is 3, y is 6. So we'll substitute 3 for x and 6 for y in this equation. That gives us y equals k times 3, doing the substitutions. And then to solve for k, I divide both sides by 3, and I get 2 equals k. So going back and substituting k for 2 in this equation, we can write the equation of variation as y equals 2 times x. So this is the first thing that we were looking for. Now we're going to use this equation to find the value of y when x is 25. So the equation is y equals 2x, and we'll substitute 25 for x. Y equals 2 times 25, and doing the multiplication we find that y is 50 when x is 25.